A train to Baldy. A stops all the way.
Helped her out.
Doors
After
are
serving
closing.
his year in prison, David, now 18 years old, is finally released. It's the day Jennifer's been waiting for. And their relationship
Next stop,
picks up right
Joe
where they
Street.
left off.
Reach
Only
at
this
the
time,
Decibel
there's a new
Station.
member of the family.
He saw the baby, and that had a big impact on him. When he saw Jennifer's little girl, he realized that her expression of
Joe
family
Street
life,
Station.
open love was all right there. So for a little bit of time,
Doors
there was
are
still a
opening.
semblance of hope.
A train to
Wanting to be
Baldy.
by
A
David's
stops
side,
all the way.
she leaves the stability of her family.
Doors are
house.
closing.
Jennifer uprooted herself and the baby, and they began moving around to friends and family of David.
They would stay from place to
Next
place,
stop,
but really didn't have
Quadcopter
somewhere
Street.
to call home.
Reach at the Decibel Station.
Things are good initially, but it doesn't last long.
Well, he went back to being in the streets, and she went back to being there for him.
But David's anger gets the best of him again, when one day Jennifer tells him a disturbing story. After they were staying with his sister and her boyfriend, she claims to have had a terrifying encounter.
Jennifer accused David's sister's boyfriend of sexually assaulting her, and David had a short temper, so this blew his fuse through the roof.
Furious, David
Quadcopter
hunts
Street
him
Station.
down.
He went out and found his sister's boyfriend in Hartford.
Doors are
and
opening.
then assaulted
A
him with a
train to
knife.
Baldy.
The
A
man is
stops
wounded,
all the way.
and he presses charges.
And as a
Doors are
result of
closing.
that, warrants are issued for David for attempted murder.
Now David fears the cops will soon be looking for him.
These were very serious charges.
Next and
especially
last
coming
stop,
off of
Baldy
what he had
Street.
done
Reach at the
before.
Decibel
So here
Station.
he has this trajectory of violence that just continues.
With her daughter now a year old, the couple hides out from police with three of David's
Baldy
friends
Street
in an
Station.
apartment
Last
in the nearby
stop.
city of Meriden, Connecticut.